Like life is really simple. Life is really simple when you look at it. Life is simpler than me. But when you add all that complexity bullshit to it, that's when goddamn the demons come to you. You feel me?
Every time I fuck, I gotta hit me like too rich. All of my custom money.
I got no jury though.
On that like money. All of my bitches.
Shit on.
With the tin roof. All of me the dogs on the roof.
Nigga put a motherfucking tit. Nigga might just get two.
Shot Bond, shot 2-2. BK, South Coast shit. I'm still told from the night before.
Told me that he know Armando. Armando fucking with Carlos rapping.
Oh yeah, here you go. Here you go.
So what you got? I'm talking about that show we did. Atlanta.
I don't know what it is, but I know what it's gonna be. Hey, I ain't got that thermal with me.
Left that bitch in the refrigerator all day. You know what I'm saying? I ain't cold and shit.
Ray Charles.
This nigga is crazy.
Understand this. No. Understand this shit is biblical. You know what I mean? So, you know, at the end of the day, my sisters and brothers gonna eat. We gonna be fresh.
You understand? My boy talented.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with a goddamn luscious salad. You still gotta eat right, you know what I'm saying? Feed the alcohol or shit, you know what I'm saying?
They really ain't got much left.
Whole food. See what it is.
The biggest, the largest. You know, there's been a reset on the partners. Regardless. It's always in it. Back it up, nigga. You look back too. Back it up. I gotta do a double take of my goddamn shit in the car.